How to increase video RAM graphics without using any software. Hello everyone, and let's learn some tricks to boost your FPS and increase the PC RAM graphics. First of all, let us update our graphics. For that, go to the device manager, and once the device manager is open, click on display driver and then right click on Intel HD graphics and click on update driver. Click for the search automatically for updates. Once this is done, you can cross it and close it. Now go to desktop, right click and click on display setting. Once the display settings is open, you have to tap on advanced display settings. This will drag to another page where you can see your desktop resolutions and all. Now tap on display adapter properties, and hereby you can see the adapter information along with the available total graphics and dedicated video memory graphics. As you can see, it is less than that of the available graphics memory. To get this fixed, cross this all and this time right click the start menu and open run. Now you have to tap in Reg Edit and tap on OK. Once the register editor is opened, you have to now search for this H key local machine. Now tap on software. Under this, search for the Intel folder, right click on it and then click on new and then on key. Now name the key as GMM and make sure to keep it capital letters. After that, again right click on that new folder and then click on new and select dword 32-bit value. Now name this value as dedicated segment size. Now what you have to do is you can either right click on it or double click, or what you can do is right click on it and click on modify. On this value, if you have 16 GB of memory, you have to keep in the value as 2048 and click on OK. After this, you can restart your device and check if it is getting better or not. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.